Hi, I'm Leanne Matthews.
And I'm Melissa Wirtz with the Chris Keleher team. Welcome to 119 Matilda Street here in Clarksburg, the Blue Mountains.
This lovely home sits on half an acre. It's surrounded by mature trees. It's so lovely. Let's take a look.
Thanks for taking the tour.
We'd love to show it to you in person. Please contact the team for details and your private showing.